Sick. So we're going to be making a lockpick. Lockpick. Kind of like, it's not a lockpick, that's a tension wrench. This is the one that we're going to be making. Pretty simple. It's out of just a regular old bobby pin. Just sort of, because paper clips are a bit flimsy, harder to find as well. Here's the two tension wrenches that you could make. Hang on. Yes. Usually if you want to have make things with bobby pins, you want to take this little piece of crap off there. You can just get some snips and take that little bit of plastic off. You have to do that with the pins these as well. I'll show you that in a second. So first what you want to do is you want to grab your bobby pin, flatten him out like so. Just chuck him on there. Now the piece that we're going to be using is this half of the bobby pin, and then you're just going to take off that bit that I was talking about before. These are a bit for smaller things. What you want to get is your thing. You want to snip it off like so. Now what you can do is that you're use this side. What you're going to do is you're going to grab your needle nose pliers. You're just going to put it on the end. And this is the hard bit too, because it always flips out. You'll be sitting here for a while. That's not how you want to do it, but you want to do it like that. See how it's got a little curve going up, not like this. Once you get it like that, what you want to do is you want to leave that flat bit there so you have something to go into the actual chamber of the lock to pick with. You want a bit of a handle for stability. Doesn't have to be fancy, just have to have something like that so you can have full lock picking action. What you want to do to get that little bit going is you get your needle nose pliers and you want to do that, make a little L. Oops. There you go. Not fancy, not heaps cool, but it's better than paper clips because these are way sturdier. As you've seen, trying to make a lockpick, it's hard to bend. Now for the tension wrench, what you want to do, get out of the way, stupid mouse, is you want to have your bobby pin, you want to flatten him out. These are just regular old bobby pins, by the way. Oh jeez, voice crack. Once you got your bobby pin going, you just stick him in your little chopping thing. You might want to put that, when you're chopping the end bit off, you want to put something into it, like have like one of these and then chop it. Like, say if I want to chop that bit off, chuck it in here so it don't fly into your eyes. So, and then the bit doesn't go everywhere. Just a little tip. Now the bit to the tension wrench, this is up to you how big you want it. That's how big I like it, but usually I want it a little bit something more sturdy. You can sort of fold it a couple more times. So to make one, just all you gotta do is get your finger, put a bit of muscle into him, and then sicko, you got a little tension wrench. You don't really need a fancy little handle for this, because what you're gonna be doing is just ever so slightly tipping it. It doesn't really need something super fancy, so that's it. Now you have a little old lock picks. These are ones I was just downstairs, picked my lock with because I felt like it. This is a good little lock pick that I made, so I'm gonna keep that. And yeah, don't do anything bad with it. See you later.